Infratil is a high-conviction investor with significant platforms established across the digital infrastructure, renewables and social infrastructure, with operations in New Zealand, Australia, Asia, the US and Europe. It falls under the utility sector and was officially listed in the year 2010. Late Lloyd Morrison, a merchant banker from Wellington, founded Infratil. The current management and administration of Infratil are handled by Morrison's business, HRL Morrison & Co. When the company was founded and listed on the New Zealand exchange in 1994, it was among the first infrastructure funds in the world to be publicly traded. It produced above-average annual returns of 21.6% in the last 10 years. And from 1st April 2012 right through to 31st March 2022. Infratil is an infrastructure company that actively invests in ideas that matter and has a number of investments in various fields like renewable electricity, data centres and telecommunications networks. Development of renewable energy represents one of the single largest and most important investment opportunities in history, with over $4 trillion of investment in wind and solar assets forecast over the next decade. Infratil's renewable energy platform provides exposure to this opportunity through a highly diversified operating and development portfolio across technologies and geographies. It has a 51% stake in Manawa Energy. It is New Zealand's 5th largest electricity generator, and that generates approximately 9% of New Zealand's total hydro capacity. The data has been described as a fourth utility, and currently global demand for digital infrastructure is accelerating, and new use cases and ways of working will only accelerate the trend. The company is well exposed across the digital ecosystem with fibre, wireless, tower communications and even data centre asset exposure embedded within Infratil's portfolio that includes 48% stake in CDC data centres. It provides state-of-the-art, secure, modular, connected and sovereign hosting facilities to public and private sector organisations throughout Australia and New Zealand. Infratil's strategic vision is to be Australasia's leading provider of radiology services, meeting the needs of a growing and ageing population and providing investors with a high-quality entry point into a sector with a structural long-term growth outlook and the potential to scale into a leading healthcare infrastructure platform globally. Their portfolio includes Qscan, with a stake of 57%. It is one of Australia's largest radiology providers, operating over 70 clinics across Australia. Qscan also provides comprehensive diagnostic imaging services, such as X-rays, ultrasound, CT scans and MRI scans. The single largest shareholder of Infratil is Citibank Nominees, with a capital of 7.16%, followed by T Custodians Limited with a capital of 5.83%. If you think Infratil should be included on your investment journey, please comment below. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'm Sage for Kalkine Media.